I like to think of conversations as being more like a volleyball match than a tennis match, right? So when you play tennis, you hit the ball over the net, the person hits it back to you. And it's this kind of back and forth, back and forth. But with volleyball, you hit the ball over the net, and that ball or idea is passed around to other members on the team before it goes back over the net. And so it's really important that, again, that we're hearing all voices, that we're encouraging all of our students to speak, and that we as the teacher, we want it to look like volleyball, not tennis. That's
definitely, especially in a virtual learning environment, one of my biggest focus areas right now is trying to notice, as Doug Fisher and Nancy Fry say in their distance learning playbook, who are those students that are hard to reach? And so engaging them in conversations. And I think storytelling offers a really promising avenue for doing that. You'll see on this list topics about everyday places, engaging families, strategies for multilingual learners, making it culturally relevant. All these different topics came up just throughout those 28 articles. And so, again, these all connect back to promising outlets for storytelling. And we're going to dive into a few of them in a little more depth.